Hello. I don't know what hallucination I've been through, but man, was that chicken burger good. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom.